Monene hoibo tenete hamagana hichinse chisco Msale Mudavadi nigo ara EGEIKARO ekyo kyanyara ko bage ko barenta ama babatani kurwase wizara yaye bunenjiremo yokorigia KOBEKA Esei ase hokoigwana ko gwikirania obokoreri obuya herinde echiko RICHIKO yokoringori obokoreri bw'abakoremeremo Bw'Eserekari anemono ase wizara heyo nabo chi wizara au ase serikali.
Our ministries within the shortest time possible. But most important is that we all must work as a team, and that is why we are here, so that we can set our target, which I'm sure at a more detailed level and agreed on those parameters. So today we shall just be appending our signatures, and then thereafter it's the tracking mechanism to see whether we are on target or we are missing our targets.
Those contracts have been translated into specific work plans. The same holds for all the directorates of the State Department. We've already undertaken a midterm review of where we stand on the matter. We have already identified weaknesses and challenges, particularly around digitization, where we are lagging behind, around asset development, where we are also lagging behind, and one or two other areas. And we are taking this very, very seriously. And it is because we have chosen to leverage on these frameworks to enable us develop very clear roadmaps towards enhanced productivity.
Your Excellency, I urge all of us to take ownership of the commitments we make today and to approach implementation of targets with renewed energy and focus. Together we can translate plans into action, targets into results, and policies into meaningful development outcomes for the prosperity of our nation. And surely, what gets measured gets done.
We are very happy to commit today in signing. This morning, I really want to commit my unwavering support to ensure that we deliver on the goals that we've put in this performance contracting as a State Department. I also want to really commit on the delivery of the Public Service Performance Management Bill. Indeed, Your Excellency, I know this is so dear to you, and it is dear to our country for orderliness in public service and to ensure that everyone is committed to results oriented.